In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a design as a video in Canva. This is really helpful if you've created something as a static design, like a poster, a social media graphic, or a presentation slide, and you suddenly realize it would look much better with motion, timing, and maybe even some sound. Instead of starting from scratch with a separate video project, Canva lets you convert that existing design into a video style format that supports animation and playback. First, open your design in Canva, just like you normally would. This could be any design you've already created and saved in your account. Once your design is open on the canvas, move your mouse over the design's page or thumbnail that you want to convert. Here, what you're going to do is use the right-click menu. So, on your mouse, right-click directly on the design. When you right-click, a context menu will appear with several options related to your design. Take a second to let that menu fully load and then look carefully through the options that appear. In that menu, you should see an option labeled Edit as Video. This is the key option that tells Canva you want to switch from a regular, static design workflow into a video editing view. Go ahead and click on Edit as Video. After you click it, Canva will transition you into a video editing mode for that same design. Depending on your internet connection and the complexity of the design, it might take a moment to switch views, so don't worry if there's a short pause. Once the video editor loads, you'll notice a timeline or sequence area at the bottom of the screen. Each page or element from your original design can now be treated like a scene or frame in a video. From here, you can start adjusting the timing of each page, add transitions between them, and apply animations to text and graphics. You can also bring in audio tracks like background music or voiceovers to make your design more dynamic. Even though we're focusing on just getting into edit as video in this tutorial, remember that this simple right-click and selection opens up a whole set of creative options. You can fine-tune how long each part of your design stays on screen, experiment with different animation styles, and preview your work as a proper video before you export or share it. And that's all you need to convert your existing Canva design into a video-ready format. Right-click on your design, choose Edit as Video, and you're ready to start bringing your static content to life with motion and timing.